Hello and welcome. If your goal is to improve your English pronunciation, but you don't know where to start, this lesson is perfect for you. In this video, you will learn the sounds of British English, including vowels, consonants, and how stress and rhythm work in real sentences. Listen carefully, repeat after me, and take your time. Let's begin.
Let's start with vowel sounds. In English, vowels can be long or short. The length of the sound is very important. Listen. I-E as in B, long sound. I-E as in happy, short sound. The tongue position is the same, but the sound length is different. Repeat after me slowly. B, happy. Now faster. B, happy.
Now, let's practice more short vowels. Listen carefully. A, as in cat. I, as in sit. U, as in put. Notice how the mouth shape changes. Repeat slowly. Cat. Sit. Put. Now in sentences. I am happy. The cat is sitting. He put the book on the table. Now we move to diphthongs. A diphthong is two vowel sounds together, but we hear them as one sound. For example, ear, ua, o. Some speakers change these sounds to make speaking easier and faster. This is normal in real English. Listen and repeat. Slowly, then naturally.
Some British sounds may sound posh or formal. For example, air can become a in fast speech. Hair, hay. Her hair is long. Both are correct. What matters is understanding native speakers.
Now, let's look at consonant sounds. There is a sound called the glottal stop. You make it when you say, uh-oh. Many speakers use it in words like city, better, water. You don't need to use it, but you must understand it.
Now the T sounds. Listen. Th as in think. V as in this. Some speakers change these sounds to f or v when speaking fast. Think, think. Mother, mother. This helps you understand real British English.
Some sounds are short, others are longer. Listen carefully. Sh, short. Zh, long. Now, nasal sounds. English has 3 nasal sounds. M, N, and G. You can pinch your nose to test them.
English has 2 L sounds. Light L comes before a vowel. Love, light, lucky. Dark L comes after a vowel. Call, fell, people. Now the R sound. Your tongue does not touch the roof of your mouth. Keep it down. Listen. Red, not red.
English is a stress-timed language. Some words are strong, other words are weak. Content words are stressed, function words are weak. Listen. The mice eat the cheese. Notice the rhythm. Practice slowly, then naturally. This is how English sounds natural.